baby, you're going to glow, you're going to lighten. Like, people will need to ask what are you doing, because your skin is going to look light, healthy, brighter, and even. Are you a fair skin, or do you want to lighten your skin in a safe and natural way, or do you want to get 1 to 2 shade or 3 shade lighter? Then if any of this is you, sit down, because I have something specifically for you. So in this video, I'll be sharing with you trick and practical tips on how to lighten your skin in a safe and natural way. So if you want to have a lighter complexion, especially in this period, then this video is for you. So the first thing you need to practice if you want to lighten your skin in a safe way is you need to drink enough water. Yes, there is no secret about it. There is no hidden magic there, because your body needs to feel hydrated. So when you drink enough water, any product you use on your skin will work effectively. Like, drink enough water. The next thing you need to do is not use hot water to shower, okay? Except maybe when there is extreme cold, but always incorporate using cold water, or instead you use a warm water, okay? But I prefer you use cold water on your skin. Cold water is not a bad thing, it's very, very good on the skin. Because some people have this mindset of, if you want to steam your skin, you need to use hot water. Please don't use hot water on your skin, okay? That's the second step you need to practice when you want to lighten your skin, okay? These are practical tips that will work for you. The next practical tips you need to do when you want to lighten your skin is you need to eat healthy. Yes, eating healthy is very, very important. What you give into your skin is what your skin is going to give out to you. You need to put in good things into your skin. Like, if you eat all these lightening fruits and vegetables, like maybe carrot, watermelon, tomato, all those things are very, very good if you want to lighten. There are a lot of lightening healthy juice, not the processed one. There are a lot of fruits and vegetables that will help to enhance your skin lightening process, that are very good with lightening your skin tone. So eat more of those fruits. I'll put up some pictures of those things you have to eat, the list of the fruits and vegetable or food you have to eat if you want to have a lightening and glowing skin. If you eat healthy and you drink enough water to stay hydrated, and you bath with cold water, that's the first way of starting the process of lightening your skin, okay? The next practical tips when you want to lighten your skin in a safe way is you need to embrace exfoliating your skin. Either you use a physical scrub or you use a chemical scrub. You can use a chemical scrub on your face while you use a physical scrub on your body. You can use something like a sugar scrub, and you can also use a salt scrub. But if you want to lighten your skin and you don't have a sensitive skin, you could use salt scrub. But if you have a sensitive skin, you can use a sugar scrub. But if you want to exfoliate your face, you can use a physical scrub if your face is not sensitive, and also you can use a chemical scrub, which can be glycolic acid. So embrace exfoliating your skin. When you exfoliate your skin will tend to like remove all the dead skin cells. It will give your skin a clearer, brighter look. So when you use other of a product on your skin, it's going to work effectively. Exfoliating your skin is something that I know that would give you at least a brighter skin, that will even out your skin, that would clear dead skin cells from your body. So when you use your product, it will work effectively. So exfoliate your skin 2 to 3 times in a week. Don't over exfoliate your skin. Under exfoliating and over exfoliating is not good. You need to exfoliate your skin 2 to 3 times in a week. If you have a very sensitive skin, you can exfoliate your skin once, the highest 2 times. Or your skin feels normal or dry, you can exfoliate 3 times, depending on what you want for your skin. If you want your skin to appear brighter, then you can exfoliate 2 to 3 times in a week. Maybe you can exfoliate on a Monday, on a Wednesday, and on a Saturday. Then the rest of the week, you don't exfoliate your skin and you don't use any exfoliating product on your body. Okay? If you've gotten to this point, you know what to do now. Give us a thumbs up, like, share, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Please subscribe. The next practical tips on how to lighten your skin in a safe way is you need to incorporate lightening body lotion. Like, you use a lightening body lotion, but there's a trick to all this. Using a lightening body, oh God of mercy. The next practical tip on how to lighten your skin in a safe and natural way is you need to include lightening body lotion into your routine. Yes, if you want to lighten your skin, using lightening body lotion is very, very important. And you need to apply those lightening body lotion in those dark, hard areas of your skin, like on your elbows, like on your knees, and on your knuckles. You need to apply them very well, then apply all over your body, because those hard areas are very hard to lighten, like your knees, like your elbows, like your knuckles. All those places are very, very hard. Using lightening lotion, concentrate more on those harder areas of your skin. I made a detailed video about best lightening body lotion that you could use to lighten your skin safely. You can click on the link above here to watch the video. Okay, when you use lightening body lotion on your routine and use them in the right way, you will get effective results. In my subsequent video, I will be making a detailed video about how to use lightening body lotion to get effective results. So if you are interested in that video, just stick around for more content like that. Okay, the next practical tips if you want to lighten your skin in a safe and natural way is to include lightening body wash. Yes, using only lightening body lotion will not give you that desired result. You need to include a lightening body wash into your routine, because when you use a lightening body lotion and you use a lightening body wash, you will get effective results. Yes, and there are ways to do these things for you to get effective results. I'll be sharing that in my subsequent video. So if you use those lightening products and in the night there is not so much sun, the weather is usually very cold, so any lightening product you use will work effectively. You can't use a lightening body product and you're going out under the sun. That's the wrong approach to it. If you're using any lightening product, please use it at night. I don't mean bleaching product too, I mean lightening product. Product that contain lightening ingredients, not bleaching products. Okay, then the lightening shower gel and the lightening lotion are things to use in the night, not daytime. Right, you use them in the night, and there's a way to use all these things to get effective results without actually damaging your skin or bleaching your skin. Yeah, in this channel we don't talk anything about bleaching, we just talk about how to lighten your skin in a very safe and natural way. You need to use a lightening body lotion, and you also need to use a lightening shower gel. Shower gel that will lighten your skin and that are very, very mild but very, very effective. I made a detailed video about best lightening shower gel. You can click on this link above to watch the video I made about best lightening shower gel to use in your skincare routine. Okay, another thing you need to include, you need to start investing in good oils and good body butters. Body butters will help to add in moisture into your skin, and body oil will also help to add in lot of moisture. If you want to have a glowing skin and if you want to have a light skin, you don't need to look dehydrated. You need to look hydrated, you need to look moisturized. Like, you don't need to look dry or cracky. So if you want to lighten your skin in a safe way, you need to give your skin a lot of moisture, and adding a body butter to it and a good body oil to your routine is a very good thing. In fact, it's a game changer. Like, including body oil and body butter in your routine is one thing I know that you're going to see faster and effective result. Like, your skin is going to be light and glowing, not just like looking pale. That some people that will lighten their skin, then they will look pale, look sick, because of maybe the way they are using their product or the product they are using. I'm not talking about bleaching product. There's a difference between the bleaching product and the lightening body product. You're going to look very soft, very bright, and very light. Like, your skin is going to be glowing. Even as you're lightening your skin is going to glow. So you have to include good body oil in your routine and a good body butter. Okay, so the next practical tips you need to include if you want to lighten your skin in a safe and natural way, you need to start taking supplements. If supplements are too expensive for you need to start taking fruits like orange, carrot, even though it means buying maybe vitamin C supplement or vitamin E supplement. Those supplements are very, very good for our body. You need to feed your skin from the inside. If you feed your body inside with a good thing, your skin is going to glow naturally. There are good supplements that will help to give you a glowing, beautiful skin. Those supplements are good supplements that when you take and when you do these other things like adding lightening lotion, adding lightening shower gel, adding body scrub, adding body oil, baby, you're going to glow. You're going to lighten. Like, People will begin to ask you, oh, why, how are you doing? Because your skin is going to look light, healthy, brighter, and even. So you don't need to go into the wrong route of maybe using harsh chemicals. Just do these practical things and you will get effective results. Okay, so the next practical tips on how to lighten your skin in a safe and natural way is, please, I know you know what I want to say, right? Include sunscreen into your routine. If you're lightening your skin and you're going under the sun, well, you're going to get dark. So include sunscreen into your routine. Except if you're the type that don't go out at all, that's fine. But if you know that you'll be going out, please, you always use your sunscreen, like your broad spectrum sunscreen that have like SPF 30, 50 and above, that will protect your skin very, even when you go under the sun. I don't mean you should go and like stay under the sun because you're applying sunscreen, no, right? Anytime you go under the sun, so at least you have a little bit of protective shade on your skin to protect you against any free radicals and any sun damage or any UV rays that will be harmful on your body. There are a lot of good sunscreen you can try out, like the Skin Aqua, like the Hotigima, and there are other ones that you could try that will give you enough protection on your skin. So you need to include a sunscreen in your skincare routine if you want to lighten your skin. So as you're lightening your skin will also be protected and your skin will appear healthy, lighter, glowy, and beautiful. Okay, another practical tips you need to practice. This particular tip is something that I've always been working for me. Yes, there's things I do, like even when I use products on my skin, I used to give my skin break. Immediately I use a particular product finish, I give my skin, even though it's just 1 week break. So if you're lightening your skin, please, when you use those lightening products, at least for 2 months, please give your skin break. Don't use any lightening product. Like, let your skin breathe before you go into using it again, and you will get effective results and your skin will be glowy, flawless, and bright. Okay, so when you're in a lightening process, please, when you use a product at least for 2 months, don't apply any other lightening product. Give your skin break. Don't suffocate your skin. Okay, allow your skin to breathe. Then when you allow your skin to breathe, when you want to use the product, maybe after that 2 months, you want to give it a break, I want to come back, your skin would now be willing to accept any lightening product. Okay, don't jam pack your skin with a lot of lightening product and you don't give your skin a break. You're going to suffocate your skin. That's why most of you'll be like, oh, I've been using this product, it's not working, for me. How are you actually using this product? Are you using them the right way? Are you actually giving yourself break? Are you using the right product and the right time for all these things? That's one thing with all this skincare. Skincare can be against you and it can be for you. It depends on how you use them. It depends on the process. It depends on the method you use this skincare product, and they will work effectively for you. Okay, and you knowing the right skincare product to use and the right ingredient and the right product to use is very, very, very important. That's why I'm here for you, because I'll be sharing some very vital tips that will help you have a beautiful, light, and glowing and healthy looking skin. Okay, with all these practical tips I've shared, which of them are you really practicing in your skincare routine, especially those that are light skin or those that want to lighten their skin? If you are doing any of this practice, please do it to comment down below what you're actually practicing or what actually worked for you. I'll be in the comment section listening to you. Okay, so if you find this video helpful, you know what to do now. Give us a thumbs up, like, share, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Please subscribe. If you find this video helpful, you can also watch this video right here. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah. 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 Bye.